Now let's look at the last example problem for this topic. It's called word correction. So the problem description is here. It says that if a word contains two consecutive vowels, then we'll delete the vowel in a word that there is another vowel right before it. And we'll, I guess the way this says it will be keep doing that. So, for example, if we have this word weird, so the I is the first vowel in the word, so that there's another vowel before it. So we will delete I. After that, we have WERD, and there's no letter, no vowel appear after another vowel, so nothing happens. So look at this last example. If we have AAEAA, then first we have this A is a vowel that appear after another vowel. So we delete this A, it becomes AEAA. And then this E become a vowel that appear after another vowel. So we will delete this E. And then we have AAA, then the second A got deleted. If we have AA, then the second A got deleted, and we just have A in the end. So that's what we want. And here the vowel is assumed to include A, E, I, O, U, and Y. So basically we need to construct the word while we scan through the letters. So this is a code for doing that. The first thing we read in this N, actually we don't need that because it's a redundant information. The length of the string, the length of S is N, but we don't need to explicitly use the length either. And this is just for helping detecting whether a letter is a vowel or not. And T is the resulting string that we are constructing. And we maintain a state. The last is a vowel, basically meaning the last one we have seen, is it a vowel or not? So when we start, we haven't seen a vowel, so the answer is false. So we use this to determine whether we keep a letter. So then for each letter, if it's not a vowel, so this vowel.count C equals 0, that means C is not a vowel because it doesn't appear in here. So it's not A, E, I, O, U, either lowercase or uppercase. Then we just add that to T. And at the same time, we will set last is vowel to be false because next time go around, this C is the last character and it's not vowel. Otherwise, that means C is a vowel. So this else if branch is appear when C is a vowel. Then we need to look at whether the last is vowel or not. If last is vowel, we actually don't need to do anything because we simply discard C. So we simply don't add C to T. So we don't need to do anything. So it's only when last is vowel is false, then we will add C, but at the same time we need to set last is vowel is true. So note that when last is vowel is true, then C is not added, and then last is vowel keeps being true, which is correct because the last character in the output string is still a vowel. So this version does that. So this is similar to quite a few of the previous problems where we maintain one state, which is just whether the previous letter is vowel or not. And this is fairly common technique where we scan through something and then we maintain some state. And while we are scanning, we need to update that state to make sure that it's correct. So that's it for this topic. I think at this point we have introduced essentially the main language features that are needed for, I guess, beginning level competitive programming or just programming in general. So there are other data structures in Python, but to use them well, it's really more important to do a lot more programming just using the techniques that the language features that have been taught so far.